All right, everybody, welcome back. So this one's pretty cool. So I'm going through designs. This is a Lichtenberg Fractal. Okay, from what I learned, it's the concept of when electricity strikes, say, an object, and the distribution of the energy going through the object is what's called Lichtenberg's Fractal. So yeah, found this, thought I'd post. It's super cool. This is not. This is all like non-degenerative, I believe it's called. I'm not cutting or editing anything. I find the algorithms, put them in my system, and then I'm able to map out exactly how I want it. So I already got one model posted. This thing details so awesome. Let's try to get that little ball in there. Look at that. And the patterns in it are just crazy. That's a little bit too much. Keep it light. This one you want to be able to see all the threading. I want that line going through the middle. Almost got it. Oh no. Never mind. So you see that one? That's pretty deep, right? Let's see how it looks. Whoa, comes out cool, huh? Okay, let's sell that as a set. So this is how I usually pick my items. I'm not here cutting. Ooh, that looks like shit. And once people start understanding that this is all just emergent art, then there should be a market for it. Ooh, that one's dope. See how that looks. Hopefully it looks good on solid. Yeah. A lot of the objects I usually see are better for me in wire mesh form. They just look so much better. Maybe because it's the details. I'm a sucker for details. Ooh, look at that little core. It's like a little soccer ball. See how that maps out? So what I usually do is I'll go through each image, try to find the perfect balance points, resting points for these objects, and then I also got to make sure they also look good beyond just their mesh form here, and that's the hardest part because the system. I'm not gonna say the system's intricate, but these details are. So sometimes what I see here never really applies to what goes on there. The cool part about it is you got this little fractal that goes through. So I put it on one of the models. See, that's going to be a little bit too dense. I already know, like, all this webbing that you see here that looks like spider webs, cobwebs, better expression, is going to make this thing difficult. So I want straight and clean lines like this. See if we can, no, back. I want that middle collapsed in. Like that. You see how it's inside? Like, try to see how that looks. This one should be good because it's all clean lines. And there we go. So it's more than just finding something that looks good in the application actually has to apply. So that's what I'm working with. Just wanted to post and let everybody know. Pretty cool.